right, welcome back to the channel. Ryan with Solid State Rentals here. We are on another site. We're doing a fireplace makeover, shiplap, a mantle, and some tile around a gas fireplace. I'll show you guys right now. All right. So as you can see, the homeowner started the shiplap. I'm not sure what went on here. I didn't really ask too many details. They just asked me to come and finish it for them. So instead of butting the joints up to the end of the drywall here, I'm gonna miter them around and just end them back there instead. I think it'll look a lot better. Then we're just doing this tile here, wrapping it around there. Show you guys that when that happens, probably tomorrow. First, we're going to check this shiplap that he has up for level, because if it is level, see that? It's perfect. So that means that the ceiling is nice and level, because his gap up there is definitely within spec. So we'll stick with that. We'll level a line around the whole thing and start from the top. Okay, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take a little piece of scrap and we're just gonna slide it up on our line there, up against the wall. Check the gap, and as you can see, there's a little bit of a gap up top, and then it just needs a slight back bevel towards the back of the board. Just because the drywall tape is in the corner and it's making the back hit the wall first, the back of my board hit the wall first, and then the front sticks out. So just got to give it a little back bevel and it should be nice and tight. I'll show you that. I'm just going to give it a slight back bevel. So just take our saw. If you can see on the degrees there, just going to tilt it over a couple degrees. Very good. All right, back at the fireplace here, our scrap piece. Now we're just going to put it back on the level line. And as you can see, that is definitely within spec now. We're going to do that on the other side now. Take a measurement of the centerpiece and then go assemble a section, and I'll show you how I do that. All right, so we got all of our pieces cut. Now what we do is we use this. It's a two-part, it's called CA glue. I don't actually know what it's technically called or what CA stands for. But anyways, you put this on, and if you want longer drying time, you just put this on. But if you want it to bond within 3 seconds, it says, use this stuff. And I normally use a brand called 2P10, but the local hardware store here didn't have it, and I was all out. But this one comes with a little Velcro. Kind of cute. Try to keep you all organized, keep them together. Good luck trying to keep me organized. All right. So basically what you want to do is you want to put this on the one side, spray that on the other side, and then just get yourself into a comfortable position. Some people may think that you need to be on like a perfectly flat surface. That ain't true. Just line up your miters so that the miter is perfectly straight and you're not gonna have any problems. 45 degrees is 45 degrees, so well, let's put my money where my mouth is, or food. Kind of am hungry. Donut. Something would be good. Get yourself in a comfortable position. Grab the piece you need. Make sure your miter even looks good first. Oh yeah, baby. Okay. You're gonna take this. Good old healthy dose. And that stuff you have 30 seconds to work with. Now we have 3 seconds. Grab your piece in a decent manner. Line them up. Look at that. Pretty minty, eh? And just take a little and there you have it. Woo! Now you do the other side. That's on there. And because I normally work alone, sometimes this gets pretty awkward. So, you're welcome. Do the same for the rest of them. I'm just gonna do it super fast. You guys can just do it at normal speed. All right, so if my math skills serve me right, I don't have enough long pieces to make it all the way down to where the tile starts. So I asked the homeowner if he minded if I used the shorter pieces, because we changed from just doing the front of the fireplace to doing the sides as well. The pieces need to be longer that I took off. So I asked if I could use the ones that he had on there and just splice a couple behind the TV. It might only be one that I need to do, but maybe two. But I'm gonna show you guys how I do that. And you should never see it, and it's not structural, so it doesn't matter. It'll be behind the TV. Now watch me fix. Now watch me fix. Now watch me nay nay. Now watch me fix, and watch me nine. There's a little abstract box beside there. So there's my joint, and that's going to be directly behind the TV. Do this last one in real time so you guys can see how quick this stuff actually bonds. One, two, three. Boom. Pretty neat, eh? You can go like straight to sounding it right away. Shiplap is all done. I'll give you guys a nice view from the side. Mantle's on temporarily. Gotta take it off to stain it, and we'll glue it on. Tug on the hat, you know, just for good luck. So we're back at the fireplace job. I have to make this little hatch door so that they can access and service it. So we just have to cut some tiles to fit on there. We had a little bit of a runaround with not having quite enough tiles, but I came up with a solution because the tiles are on back order until June, and we kind of want her done before then. And I think I have a way of making it look perfect and just switching it up a little bit. Improvisation at its best. All right, so I'm going to cut some pieces, get them glued on here, grout her up, call her a day. Woo! Got the fireplace all finished up. Herringbone tile around the natural gas fireplace. Because it's natural gas, it has a service panel. So I just put a tile joint there, and then you can remove that section of tile underneath there. It's drying right now, or else I'd show you. But nice, you can see that the herringbone just continues on.
Cold pizza on Tuesday. I got food up in the fridge. Y'all keep looking for that new wave. I think I like it how it is. Cold pizza on Tuesday. I got food